Hi everyone, my name is Paul and I am an English teacher and a YouTuber here in South Korea. So I'm a pretty busy person, so I'm always looking for new ways to help me streamline my work, either on my computer or by using my cell phone. So that's why I'm so excited to tell you about some new PDF software today. So we're going to take a look at a few different things, and the first one is the mobile application. All right guys, so Unidocs is the name of the software company, and ezPDF Reader is the name of the application and the solution. So ezPDF Reader is the #1 PDF reader app on Amazon and the Google Play Store. So this ezPDF Reader app is available on iOS and Android phones, such as this. So it supports a single or a dual page view. If there are any embedded audio or video files, you can just tap on them to play the PDF.
Apple. The first LivePage Presenter.
Or you can play it as a full screen.
First LivePage Presenter.
The ezPDF Reader is also known to be the first mobile app to support multimedia files. It's also the only app that supports animated GIF files. So next up, we're going to take a look at the ezPDF editor. So this is a great solution as it has a lot of great functions compared to some of the more expensive products on the market. So ezPDF Editor is a PDF editing software, and it is a fully featured product. So there's all kinds of functions including PDF conversion, page merge, page extraction, annotations. All of those are available. And there's also some really unique functions here. It's super easy to change and correct text in the PDF. You can also copy a portion of the PDF page and paste it on another location on the same page, or you can create a whole new page in the project and copy and paste those segments over into the new page, which makes creating new pages super easy and time consuming. Here you can just copy that text and then paste it over onto that new page as well. So it's a fully featured product that will save you a lot of time and is at a great price. All right, so now what happens if you have some files that you don't want others to be able to reuse or edit? That is where the ezPDF DRM service comes into play. So the ezPDF DRM service provides simple and easy way for the users to experience complete safety and security with their PDF files. And there are 3 easy steps to do this. So first, you will want to initiate the protection feature from the reader or the editor application. So just save the file as another name, and that will encrypt the file. Second, set the target users. You can specify their email address, or you can set a number of users that you want. And then finally, just choose a few permissions. So you can choose the number of views and the period, if they're able to print or not, and how many prints they're able to do, networks restrictions, and so forth. Then that is all. It is super easy, and this DRM feature is well integrated with the ezPDF products. Last but not least is the LivePage Presenter, and this is what I am most excited to tell you about. So this is what takes your old traditional PDF and turns it into a live, breathing document. Makes everything so exciting, and as a teacher, this saves me a lot of time. So the LivePage Presenter is an innovative presentation tool that comes with its own editor and presentation program. So it's really unique in that it makes a new document and makes it presentable from its PDF version. So to do this, I'm going to hit the zoom box tool at the top of the screen there. Then I'm going to use my mouse and create some boxes around the different parts that I wish to highlight. All right, then I can go up to the top there and hit the Start Presentation button. And it'll take a few seconds. And there I have my presentation. So using the keys on my keyboard, I can toggle between the different functions. And then I can hit the Enter button on my keyboard to zoom in. So as you see here, I can zoom in on the picture itself or I can hit enter again and zoom in to get the actual question. And then this will take me back and forth to the different parts that I have created that zoom effect around. This is a really simple and easy way to create a presentation for a meeting or a presentation or when you're teaching. All right, I hope you enjoyed learning about this new software. Be sure to check it out. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.